Hi everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to uninstall or remove Microsoft Copilot from the Teams desktop app. To remove the Copilot app from Teams, open Microsoft Teams. On the left sidebar, right click the Copilot icon and click Uninstall. Confirm when prompted. Click the Remove button to confirm. Microsoft Copilot has been removed from the Teams app. Restart the Teams app. And you can see the Copilot is now fully removed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.